Good morning. Um, about 3-4 days ago, a earthquake came in Turkey and surrounding countries. I thought how to prevent this earthquake. Then I thought that water has a dipole character. If we keep the water table of the ground normal by rainwater ponds concept, we can bind the soil particle by the water molecules, and this natural system of water molecule binding the soil particle will work as a cushion, as a shock absorber, and can be helpful in preventing or reducing the impacts of the earthquakes to some or great extent. We should do more research on this subject, and I hope we will be successful to some extent, and after doing other researches in this field we can reduce the impact of earthquakes to very much. So my view is, as a water has a dipole character, and it can be helpful in binding the earth particles, soil particles, and can be helpful in reducing the impacts of earthquakes. Please consider over my view for discussion. More research should be done so that we should make this earth heaven for the human beings and other creatures. Good morning.